On to the last column of our matrix will be the charrette team. These are the people who generally are consultants, sometimes consultants and staff, sometimes volunteers, maybe people from the university, but they all have to be professionals capable of conducting the work as described in the charrette product list. So these are the people producing the products at the charrette. They are, as I say here, a team of skilled, collegial, and social characters of cross-disciplinary people who work together very closely to get the project done. I must emphasize that successful charrettes are due in no small part to the quality of the charrette team. These are people who are special in what they do, inasmuch as they're able to work as a team. They're able to think from their viewpoints, such as, for instance, an architect, but an architect who can also appreciate the intricacies of transportation planning, environmental planning. These are people who are listening to others and are team players. Here's a common list of specialties that might be, probably not all of these people would be in one charrette. It would have to be a pretty big charrette. But these are common lists of the different specialties who might be involved in a community planning project. So here we have our matrix again, looking at the last column, charrette team. Looking directly at the charrette products, who's going to produce the land use plan? A planner, an urban designer. You're going to need one or more of those. Who's going to produce the multimodal transportation plan? A transportation engineer, a bicycle or transit expert, and so forth. You start to go down the column and very simply ask the question, who on the charrette team will be producing that charrette product? And as you'll see later on, we'll be talking about how many of those people will you need at the charrette. How many are going to be on your team?